For sale is one Scully-Jones Morse taper number 2 shank to Morse taper number 2 socket floating tool holder. This is Scully-Jones. It is model JA 2-2 73202 and is patent 2.533.758. It has a wedge drive socket for knocking out the tooling. Typically this would be chucked in a tailstock of a lathe, and you would use your Morse taper number 2 tooling such as drill chucks or split sleeve drill drivers directly into the socket, and this would chuck in your tailstock, and it allows for radial float. Because tailstocks and headstocks of metal lathes are seldom in perfect alignment, this is critical when reaming or conditioning precision bores in material. And we'll show you a reamer with a Morse taper number 2 shank. Just fits in there precisely in the socket, and this will be going for sale on eBay if my intended buyer decides not to buy it. It will most likely include on eBay 7/16 drill driver for standard center fire cartridge chamber reamers and a 1/4 inch drill driver for rim fire cartridge chamber reamers. Thanks for viewing.